Are you confused about PCs and laptops and cannot decide what to buy and what's best for you? If yes, then you are in the right place. Make sure to watch till the end so you can get the most out of this video. So let's begin. You can install multiple hard drives and SSD as you have the options to do so. Desktop external drives on its available data ports, for example USB, Thunderbolt, and etc. Whereas laptops do not have enough room to install more than one hard drive, and that too comes pre-installed. But if you have a laptop that still has a CD-ROM in it, you should probably replace it with a SSD. Laptops can also connect with many external drives on its available data ports. Setting up a PC is hard, but it's worth it. People who are into technology and stuff will understand the beauty of assembling each component with the hand. That is what creates a beautiful connection. Whereas laptops are built to be easy to use, requiring little time to get running. Take it out of the box, plug it in, and press the power button. Within minutes, the laptop is ready to use. A PC does not have any issue when we talk about keyboards because a user have so many options to choose from. But when it comes to laptops, smaller laptops usually do not have a number pad on the right side. That's a personal preference of every user, but for me, it's a big no. Desktop monitors can be 19-inch or larger. It is even possible to hook up a desktop to a TV, so screen sizes could be as large as a TV. This provides for great flexibility on what the desktop is used for and in what environment. Whereas in laptops, screen sizes often range from 10-inch to 17 inches. However, a laptop can still connect to an external display and support any size of monitor, screen, or a projector. Desktops are designed to be used in a single location and not to be moved around. You can carry a desktop from place to place if you're not that crazy. Otherwise, you can't use a desktop and portability in a single phrase. Well, you can, but you shouldn't. Whereas laptops are very portable due to their compact size. They were designed to be taken from place to place, carried in a backpack or laptop carrying case. They are great for on-the-go use. Desktop processors are a little bit larger in size, but this also means that the desktop processors are usually more powerful than laptop processors. New advanced processors on the market are often available in desktop computers first, whereas laptop processors have nearly caught up to desktop processors but are still limited compared to them. Gaming laptops can have a good performance but have much higher price than a PC. A PC uses more power than a laptop. They have to power a high wattage power supply, multiple components inside the computer and the monitor. If the power fluctuates or goes out, including brownouts, any documents being worked on and not saved can be lost. Whereas laptop computers use less power than a desktop computer. Smaller components means less power is needed to make them work. Laptops also have a battery, so power fluctuations and outages will not cause any unsaved works to be lost. The battery kicks in immediately when power fluctuates or goes out. Desktops are capable of using high-powered graphic cards that have a higher power requirement and requires better heat reduction. Virtually any graphic card could be used in a desktop, including 2 or more graphic cards at the same time. Thus, they always yield better performance for gaming. Whereas physical space is limited in a laptop, which limits the graphics capabilities, while higher-end laptops can provide better than average graphics for gaming and CAD-based applications. The heat reduction is limited by the space in the laptop case. Power is also limited, which does not allow for video cards needing those higher amounts of wattage to run. Most components in a desktop are removable, making it easier to upgrade. Desktop cases are larger, providing more room inside to add and remove hardware, use tools, and organize cables. Repairing a desktop computer is generally easier because most of the hardware can be purchased off the shelf of any computer retail store. Whereas memory and hard drives are about the only components that can be upgraded in a laptop. The remaining components are either built-in and cannot be removed, or the laptop is not designed to work with the upgraded component. A need to upgrade anything other than a hard drive and memory usually requires a new laptop. For most users, opening a laptop to repair a part can be difficult, and finding a replacement part often requires calling the computer manufacturer or ordering from another online site. There is a wide variety of component options available for desktops, allowing for a large range of prices, but the starting point is relatively cheap. Desktops can start as low as a $400 package, computer and monitor included, and still be a pretty powerful system. Whereas on the other hand, laptops can have a fairly wide variety of component options, but they are more limited than desktops. To get a more powerful laptop with higher speeds, better graphics and more storage space, etc., the price can be considerably higher, ranging up to $1,500 or more depending on the brand. With that being said, if you want to know more about PCs and laptops, then make sure to hit that subscribe button if you found this video insightful. Leave a comment if you agree or disagree with any of the points mentioned before. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, okay, bye.